Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to schedule recurring meeting in Outlook. Open your Outlook app. You will go to the Calendar section. After this, click on the button, New Event. Assign the desired name, and if you need it, enable the Skype meeting. Add the guests, and then select the date and time assigned for the event. Enter the invitation message, and you will be able to see various additional configuration options for the event. When you complete it, click Send. You can see your scheduled meeting on the calendar. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.